When you create a blog post, you might then like it and want to create lots of blog posts, and you want people to be able to sign up to receive those blog posts or newsletters that you're creating. So one of the best free email services out there is called MailChimp, and you can set up a free account. All you need to do is sign up for free and fill in all your details to get a free account. Now, once you have done that, you can go back into your WordPress dashboard and we can connect the two. Then once you've done that, head over to the WordPress dashboard. So we're going to show you how to connect your MailChimp account so that people can sign in to receive your newsletters. So to do that, you want to go to where you want to install that email opt-in. So I'm going to go into Pages, and I'm going to go into my blog page. Now you can do this on any page. So once you're in the page, you want to go make sure the Divi Builder is activated. So here's my Divi Builder down here. And what I'm wanting to do is I'm wanting to add my email opt-in section down here. So all I need to do that is select standard section, select one column, and then go in and insert my new module. And you scroll down till you find this email opt-in module. So here you can give your email opt-in a title and a button text, and a little bit about what they will receive if they sign up. You can give it a background color, so they've automatically selected this accent color that I chose in my default settings. You can choose to use that color or not. Now as you scroll down, here is where you connect your MailChimp account. So it has lots of different other accounts, which you can go and have a look at those ones if you prefer, or if you already have these ones. But for this course, we're going to be using the MailChimp as our service provider. So what we need to do now is we need to go and connect our MailChimp to our website. So what we need to do is click Add. We need to enter our MailChimp username, and we need to go and get our API key from our MailChimp dashboard. Now to do that, all you need to do is go into your MailChimp account, which you have previously signed up for, and log in. And then we need to go into our profile, into extras and API keys. Scroll down till you see create a key. Click create a key. And it will populate with a new key, and all you need to do is copy and paste that. You can also give it a label here. So here you can copy and paste your API keys, and then go back into your Divi module and add that API key there and submit. So once that's submitted, it should bring up all the lists that you have created on your MailChimp account. Now to create a list on your MailChimp account, all you need to do is go into lists and then create list, and then select create list again. Add the list name, so it could be newsletters for your business name. Add your email and add your name, and then write a short note here so people can remember how they found out about your newsletter. And then you can allow them to opt in, so they get an email to then opt in again, and then you choose when and how you want to be notified and save. And once you've created that list, it will then import them into this list here. Then you need to keep scrolling. Then here you can add, this is what the fields will have, so people can enter their first name and their last name and their emails. And then this is the message that gets displayed after they've submitted. And then we can have a look with our eye. So there's the subscription. So I want to go in and edit that button so that it looks more like a button. So I can do that from the front end. So I'm just going to save and exit. Then I'm going to update. Then I'm going to use my visual builder. So it's brought us to the front end of my blog page, where it's the heading and the title of my blog and the blog post that's been inserted there. Now at the bottom it has the subscribe newsletter down here. So I just want to make adjustments to the button. So I'm going to go into the design, go down into the button area and select yes. And I'm going to give my button a border color of white, just so you can see the button. So that looks good now. And I'm going to give it a drop shadow. I'll also give the entire area a drop shadow as well. I'm actually going to remove the shadow from the fields. I'm going to save that. I'm going to go back into edit page and then go back to the email opt-in form. Now I actually want to use this across all of my pages. So what I'm going to do is, once you're happy with how it looks, you can save it and add it to your library. I'm going to call it the email opt-in. I'm going to not make it global because I might change the list that I add to MailChimp. And I'm going to write email opt-in as a category and save and add to my library. So now that I can go and add that to my home page, my contact page, my about page, and to every post that I create, I can add that to the bottom of my posts. For example, if I go back into my blog post that I created earlier, I go in and edit that page, I can scroll down to the bottom and just add from my library that email opt-in form. So that will now be on my blog post page. So after somebody reads my blog posts and they really like it, they might decide that they want to subscribe blog post. And at the very bottom, after they've read it, they can then subscribe to get further blog posts. And that's how you connect your email opt-in to MailChimp.